Hey, I'm Matthew, co-founder of Whalesync. Let's get right into the fun part. Here's an Airtable and a Notion with Whalesync's two-way sync already hooked up. As you can see here, we've got customers in the CRM that are the same in Airtable and Notion. Because Whalesync is hooked up, if we make an update in Notion, let's say we've turned Paul Graham into a paying customer, instantly this will sync over from Notion into Airtable. Same idea in the reverse. So let's say we realize that we've made a mistake typing this name. We can update Ryan Hoover over in Airtable, give it a second or two, and we will also see that sync immediately over to Notion. And so this is the beauty of Whalesync. With two-way sync turned on, you can make updates in either app, and they are essentially the same. Now that you've seen Whalesync in action, let me show you how to set it up. The first thing you do is pick your first two apps and connect them. So we've got Airtable connected here already. Let's pick Webflow and authorize that. I'll just pick my blog and go from there. Once I've authorized my two apps, I'll save that connection. And the second step is just mapping tables. So basically, for this example, we've got a blog in Airtable and a blog in Webflow. So we might want to connect our authors and our blog post tables. Once we've done that, we'll do the same thing on our field mapping page. So in the authors table, we'll tell Whalesync that we want to sync the name fields. And on the blog post table, we'll do the same thing with name, post summary, and image. You'll probably notice that because Whalesync has auto mapping, if you name these fields the same across your two apps, you don't even have to map them at all. From there, let's save the base, and we're pretty much done. The last step is just hitting the big button, turning sync on, and immediately we'll see this start to initialize, and then updates will start to sync. And within a few seconds, all of our blog posts that are currently in Airtable will make their way over to Webflow. So if we open up Webflow, and there we go. All these blog posts here have synced instantly. Thank you to the Product Owned community for checking us out. We'd love to hear your feedback.